Using Transfinder products has really helped my career a lot. People know within the district and within the department that they can call routing and get information at the drop of the dime. The accuracy of our maps helps us provide our team with good information as far as where a student is going to attend school based on their parcel point. We can help our drivers out by giving them rosters just like that. We can go in and pull student list from a grid and customize it by stops and pickup times, and it doesn't take us any time to get that information. So it's helped me out a lot by being more efficient. I can get information out faster, and I give out accurate information, not just me, but my team, our whole routing department. Any bump in the road or anything that I couldn't figure out, I was able to get on that 1-800 number, get a phone call in, schedule some time, and I was walked through step by step how to resolve my problems. I haven't met one person that wasn't willing to help me. And so that I appreciate. And that's why I am a loyal Transfinder router forever.